Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable call tracking with CallRail for SEO attribution step by step clearly. To enable call tracking with CallRail for SEO attribution, start by creating a CallRail account. Visit the CallRail website and click on Get Started. Fill out the required information to create your account. Upon logging in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Numbers tab located in the left sidebar. In the Numbers section, select New Tracking Number. Choose the type of tracking number you want, such as local or toll-free. Next, select the source for the tracking number, indicating that it will be for SEO purposes. Input the website URL where the number will be displayed. CallRail will now provide a list of available numbers. Browse the list and choose a number that suits your needs. Once you've selected a number, click on Create Tracking Number. Next, configure call settings by clicking on the Advanced Settings option. Here, you can set up call recording, custom greetings, and other preferences. Ensure you enable call attribution to track calls from specific sources effectively. After configuring the settings, save your changes. Now, return to the Numbers dashboard to find your newly created tracking number. To put this number on your website, you'll need to update the source code. Use a plugin or direct code adjustment to replace your existing phone number with the CallRail tracking number. Make sure to test the number to confirm that calls are being tracked accurately. Now, set up your call tracking integrations by navigating to the Integrations section. Here, link your CallRail account to your Google Analytics for enhanced attribution tracking. Select Add Tracking in the Integrations section and follow the prompts. Finally, monitor your call analytics in the CallRail dashboard to assess SEO performance. Regularly check your data to optimize SEO strategies based on call insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.